In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use DuckDuckGo as your default search engine in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. By the end of this video, you'll have DuckDuckGo set as the default search engine in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. So searches from the address bar in each browser use DuckDuckGo automatically. First, in Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From here, go to Settings. On the left sidebar or in the main panel, click Search Engine. Now, look for the option labeled Search Engine Used in the address bar and select DuckDuckGo from the dropdown. That's it for Chrome. DuckDuckGo is now the default search engine, so anything you type into the address bar will search with DuckDuckGo. Next, in Mozilla Firefox, open Firefox. In the top right corner, click the menu icon with three lines. Select Settings. On the left, click Search. Under Default Search Engine, choose DuckDuckGo as the default search engine. Once that's done, Firefox will use DuckDuckGo for all address bar and search bar queries. Now, in Microsoft Edge, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. Go to Settings. Click Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to the bottom and click Address Bar and Search. Under Search Engine Used in the address bar, select DuckDuckGo as default. At this point, Edge will route all address bar searches through DuckDuckGo. To recap the flow you just completed, in Chrome you went to Settings, Search Engine, and picked DuckDuckGo from the dropdown. In Firefox, you used Settings, Search, and set DuckDuckGo as the default search engine. And in Edge, you used Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services, opened Address Bar and Search, and selected DuckDuckGo as the default. Each browser will now use DuckDuckGo whenever you type a search in the address bar without any extra steps. If you're recording your screen, you can briefly hover over the dropdowns to show the selected DuckDuckGo option in each browser. There's nothing more to configure for this change to take effect. Your bookmarks, extensions, and other settings remain untouched. Only the default search provider has been updated. If a page is already open, you don't need to restart the browser. These settings apply immediately. At this point, DuckDuckGo is your default search engine in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and the setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.